Oracle VirtualBox is a powerful, general-purpose virtualization software. It is used for a variety of purposes, including laptop, desktop, server, and embedded systems. VirtualBox creates a special environment, known as a virtual machine, where a guest operating system runs independently of the host system. A virtual machine is typically displayed as a window on your desktop, and depending on the VirtualBox frontend, it may be viewed in full screen mode or remotely on another computer. Internally, VirtualBox manages virtual machines through a set of parameters that define hardware settings and state information. You can manage and configure these settings through VirtualBox Manager or the VBox Manage command. Additionally, Oracle VirtualBox includes guest editions, special software packages installed within the virtual machine to enhance performance and add extra features to the guest operating system.